And then Glenn Beck, in his infinite wisdom, he calls Obama a racist. Now, what is that? That's like Lindsay Lohan calling David Hasselhoff an alcoholic. I'm sorry, Elizabeth. I didn't mean Hasselbeck. I meant Hasselhoff. If she's watching, Elizabeth. I'm sorry.
Which I'm sure she will be. Okay, well,
And also, Glenn Beck, the thing with him is now he's become the face of the Republican Party.
Okay, since you began this show with me dishing on Glenn Beck, I just want to quickly get out, I love Glenn Beck.
Really?
But now he's not.
Do you really, really?
Yeah,
because people hate him more than they used to hate you. Are you jealous?
A little bit jealous. And I think you get that with many conservatives attacking him. But he isn't our leader. Rush Limbaugh isn't our leader. Michael Steele isn't our leader. Sarah Palin isn't our leader. I love them all. But we don't have a leader. A, we're a party without leaders. And moreover, I mean, it's weird, this liberal obsession with tell us who your leader is. And you realize why liberals want to know is because this is how they argue. They find who the leader is and destroy him. From Newt Gingrich to Tom DeLay. To Sarah Palin.
What do you mean? Who
so
destroyed
So
Tom
we've
DeLay?
decided we're not going with a leader this time, so you're going to have to argue with us on the facts and the issues.
I don't think that's...
No destroying the leader.
Well, who would be your leader?
We don't have a leader.
Joe Scarborough is now saying that the Republican Party better get their act together and stop letting Glenn Beck get away with all this hate speech because it's making the Republican Party and conservatives look bad. What do you think about that?
Joe Scarborough was also not our leader.
Well, he's a conservative, and he says it every day.
I didn't say he wasn't. I said both he and Glenn Beck are not our leaders. We don't have a leader, so stop trying to find one so you can destroy him.
No, but Scarborough is what he's saying is you can't make Glenn Beck such the face of the Republican Party. It's not working.
He isn't the face. We heard this for 6 months at the beginning of the year because it was Rush Limbaugh.